Volume's good, bump it up. Energy, good. I don't want to do it too many times. What's up, guys? I'm Alex. I need some music. No, I'm not judging you. I'm just... And we're gonna cook a legacy meal, smothered chicken. Smothered chicken is a classic recipe that we cooked weekly. This is something that we would always have growing up. I'd come home, my mom would have it all set. We had the rice. I would sit down from practice and I would be eating good. We always start with a whole chicken. I didn't know that chicken came cut up until I went to college. So my dad taught me how to cut up a chicken. He is known to be the fried chicken king. He even went to my high school and taught a cooking class on how to fry chicken. Look at that. I was talking to you and I cut up a whole chicken. All right, we're gonna season the chicken. You're gonna use a few different spices, and these are like my everyday spices that I use. Onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, paprika, and then I always like to throw a little bit of ground mustard in the mix. The chicken has to have color on it like that. If it doesn't have color on it, it's not gonna taste that good, okay? I cook because it makes people feel good. It warms their heart, and then it also leaves a memory. Like, my best memories are of being with my family, being in the kitchen, and even if it's like a blooper moment, like I made this cake one time and it like totally was a disaster, but my brother ate it and he called it a volcano cake. Like I'm saying, even though it wasn't perfect, like we still have that memory and we still laugh about it to this day. So it's memories, and it's something you can't take away, right? So my grandfather was a Navy chef. He always would have recipes that have been handed down since generations. He really took pride in his craft, and he made some of the best food on the ship. You know, when you have good gravy, it just like, oh, it just soaks up the rice and it just tastes good. Some of my earliest memories, when I was little, I used to make cooking shows actually. I had commercials and everything. My brother did Oreo commercials in the middle. It was great. While those saute down, you need to season your vegetables too. So this is called echoing your flavors. We have the same seasoning on the chicken as we do in the gravy. This might not be exactly how my mom makes it, but this is how I make it. And then maybe my sons will make it different than me, you know? The core's still there, yep. And then we're gonna add in some chicken broth or chicken stock, and we're gonna just whisk this. Gravy. You can already tell, that's like a big old hug, you know? Now this goes into the oven for about 25-30 minutes, and then dinner's ready. Now it's time to eat. It's very comforting, it's low effort with a lot of flavor. So I can't wait for you to try my dish.